marketing, no selling, no social media following, no promotion whatsoever. You're not going to need any of that with the website that I'm going to be showing you today in today's video. I'm going to show you how you're going to get paid right away into your PayPal account with something that's just going to ask you to copy and paste some text and pay you over $1,000 in total. If you guys want to know what I'm talking about, then make sure that you hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now, the first thing you want to do is go onto google.com like I'm doing, and you're going to want to look up the search for the best sites that pay for writing articles or something similar to that. And now you're going to want to open up one of those pages. Now this one here, in my opinion, is one of the best ones right now. Okay, it gives us the most information about these websites, like how much they pay, so I do recommend this one, but you can also use other ones if you want to. Now, next step is to find the best website on here that pays the most. Okay, you want to open it up now, and for today's video, as an example, I am going to be using the website called listverse.com. This website, as you can see, you're going to find a ton of different articles, top 10 articles relating to just about anything, basically. Now you have the whole category with creepy, mysterious, and weird stuff as subcategories. You've got gaming, movies and TV, books, facts, history, and so on. Now, point is that as a writer on here, you're going to be able to write about literally anything that can possibly interest you. Now, basically, since there are a lot of niches, a lot of categories, a lot of topics, okay, we're gonna have to clarify something. You're not gonna need, okay, any writing skills for this. But if you do have writing skills, it's a perfect way for you to get paid. I am assuming that most of the time, and most of you watching this, you just do not. And as such, I am going to be showing you a few platforms that will do literally everything for you, okay? It's going to let you get paid no matter what you're doing, no matter what skill you don't have or have, okay? Now, you need to do on Listverse or any other site that you open up, obviously the first thing is you're gonna have to become a writer, and that means you're gonna sign up, okay? Now the option, you're gonna find it anywhere in the website. You're just gonna look for the sign up option. You're gonna click on that, and when you do, it's now gonna take you to this page where you're gonna finally be able to see. But since I clicked mine, this is what I'm gonna see. You're gonna see you're gonna get paid $100 per article you can submit. So as you can see, you guys can make a very decent amount of money on here, and it's not the exception. Now, while $100 isn't a mind-blowing amount of cash, it's a nice amount considering it's just for one article, so it's huge. And even if you do write it yourself, it's not even going to take too much time. But again, you're not going to be writing it yourself, so you don't even need to worry about that. Now, my favorite feature about this website is that you don't need to be an expert. It says here you just have to be English equal to that of a native speaker, and that's literally all you need to be able to successfully do the tasks here. And because of the secret that I'm going to show you, you're not even going to need to do that. If you guys want to make even more money online, then make sure you check out our description box down below. We have an amazing free prize for you guys there, so make sure you check the description box down below to make even more money daily. Also, I want you guys to answer this question: what would you do as soon as you receive the total of $1,000? I'm just curious, and while you're at it, I want you to type in what country you come from and maybe what other videos you'd like to see in the future so that we can note them down. Anyway, moving forward, you're not going to need to be an expert writer in order to make a decent amount of money online with this website, which is obviously amazing. And you don't even need to have some sort of skill. Now, you don't consider yourself experts, and for those of you who don't have any skills at all, you don't need to upload an article that is professional or whatever to get paid. Like I've mentioned, I have tools that's going to let you get paid without having to write those articles yourself. Now, just a reminder with this website, while I'm showing it as an example, I don't think it is worldwide available. It works in the US, Australia, UK, New Zealand, India, and South Africa. So if it happens to not work in your country, like I said, you can just use another one that will still pay you very decent amount of money instead, and just in case Listverse doesn't actually cater to you. So here, to submit an article, what you need to do is click on submission form right over here, and on the next page you're then going to enter in your name, your nickname, your email address, your PayPal, and some more details of yourself, what they're asking you, and then you're then gonna write the actual article. As you can see, this is the list title, the introduction to the list, finally the article itself. And when you're done, you're just gonna click on the box and click on submit list below. Now obviously we don't have an article, so for those of you who don't have any skills but you want to get paid to write articles, this is the time. I'm gonna show you several platforms that's gonna help you obtain exactly that. Now the first one is called articlesfactor.com. The second one is called Article City. Now, as you can probably tell from the name, you're going to be able to find articles on these websites. And just like on Listverse, they are all in different niches. On Article Factory, you've got health, business, finance, travel, technology, and a lot more. On Article City, you have business, finance, careers, and jobs, and a lot more as well. By the way, to access these articles, you first need to click on all articles in the upper right corner on both of these platforms, and what you basically need to do is search for great articles that are also not that old. Now this might take a little bit of time, but you do want to invest that time, because a better article means a higher chance to get paid and more money you'll get paid. So I'll use this one from Article City as an example. Now, just a side note, another platform that you can also use to find good articles is Google itself. Now, you don't want to just focus on the two websites, for example. If you're looking for some articles that are related to mystery, you can type that in Google. Mystery stories, for example. If you want a scary article, scary stories. Point is, Google is also going to help you find different articles for a lot of different platforms as well, instead of just the two ones now that I showed you. So there's a much higher chance that you're gonna find really good articles. In any case, what you basically need to do is, when you come across a great article, is copy it, but you're not gonna paste it right away, okay? On Listverse, whatever website you're gonna be using, because it will be taken down for copyright. What you're gonna do is go on openspinbot.com. You can also open cleverspinner.com. You can also open up rewriter.com. Now, out of these three, I think Spinbot is the only free one, but here's why I'm showing you the other two as well, okay? It's because they are better and more clever, obviously, and it does offer a free 3-day trial. So I do recommend try it. Like, do use the 3-day trial, and then if that trial is over, you can then just use Spinbot. It works the same. Obviously the two paid ones just work much better, but it doesn't really concern me. So that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna copy your article, and then you're gonna paste it on these rewriting, paraphrasing websites, okay? They're gonna rewrite it for you, and they're gonna make it completely new, so that when you are gonna paste it on back to Listverse, you're not gonna get copyrighted, because it's a completely brand new article. Like and subscribe before going any further, because it really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be kept updated on all of our videos. And we promise you won't regret it. You can also maybe comment down below what you guys are loving so far about today's video, so we can read through them and maybe even respond to some. So go do that. And now we're gonna go ahead and finish up today's video. This is also why I recommend the other two sites more. They are not free, obviously, but they are better, so you can use them as a free trial, and maybe once you started earning money, when you start using Spinbot after that as well. Anyway, when you're done and you're satisfied with the article, you can copy it, and then you can go on over to Listverse again, or the website that you chose, paste it there, publish it, get paid for that article that you didn't even have to write yourself. And it's as easy as that. You're then gonna do this over and over again. New articles every single day, which means more money for you, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.